Welcome to my podcast, 100% English. In this podcast, we are talking about life. My name is Leo, as you know, and today I have a special guest. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to 100% English Podcast. My name's Leo, as you know, and today we have a super interesting topic. We're talking about your brain's natural rhythms and how your energy rises and falls during the day, how to use that to work better, think better, live better, and of course, learn in a way better. And joining us today is my friend Mark, a cognitive performance specialist. Mark, my brother, welcome.
Thank you, Leo. I'm happy to be here today. Let's start with something simple. Many people believe that our energy moves in a straight line during the day. They think you start the morning full of power, then slowly get tired, and that's it. But this idea is not correct. Our brain actually works in cycles, not in a straight line. One of the most important cycles is called the ultradian rhythm. This rhythm is a natural pattern in your body that repeats every 90 minutes. Here's how it works. For the first 70 to 80 minutes, your brain goes into a high focus state. In this time, you can concentrate better, remember information more easily, and be more creative. Your mind is sharp, active, and ready to work. But after those 70 to 80 minutes, your brain starts to drop. And this is completely normal. Your body needs a short break, sometimes only 5 to 10 minutes, to recover its energy. This break helps your brain start a new cycle of focus again. The problem is that most people fight against this natural drop. They think, why am I tired? Maybe I'm lazy. But the truth is very different. It's not laziness, it's biology. Your brain is simply asking for a moment to rest so it can perform better afterward. When you understand this rhythm, you can work in a smarter way. You can plan your tasks in 90-minute blocks, take short breaks, and protect your energy. This makes your day easier, more productive, and less stressful. And also that it is also important, in this period of time, you can be more focused and your brain is more efficient. And as a result, you acquire the knowledge more easily. And when people ignore that recovery period, the last 10 to 20 minutes, the brain goes into what we call stress mode. You produce more cortisol, your focus drops, errors go up, and productivity crashes. But here's the cool part. If you take a small break, even 5 to 10 minutes, your brain resets, and then the next 90-minute cycle becomes more powerful.
So instead of fighting your brain, you kind of surf the wave.
Exactly, you surf it. When you follow the rhythm, you become more productive with less effort. And there's another part. Your brain also has a daily rhythm, a circadian rhythm. This controls when you feel alert, when you feel sleepy, your temperature, your hormones, everything. Most people have 2 natural focus peaks, one late morning and one late afternoon. So if you combine the 90-minute ultradian rhythm inside the big circadian rhythm, you get your perfect working structure.
This is gold. People need to know this.
Absolutely. Because when people understand their natural cycles, suddenly everything becomes easier. Work, studying, thinking, planning, even emotional control. You stop blaming yourself, and you start working with your brain, not against it.
So it's not coffee, not motivation, it's rhythm.
Yes. Coffee helps, motivation helps, but rhythm is the foundation. If you use your natural cycles, you can get more done in 3 hours than most people do in 8 hours.
Mark, thank you, my friend. This is really powerful information, and I'd hope everyone listening can take a moment to think about it.
Thank you, Leo, for having me today. And bye-bye to everybody.
Your brain is not a machine that can work nonstop. It doesn't stay at the same level of energy the whole day. Your brain moves in waves, in rhythms, and when you understand those rhythms, everything becomes easier. So remember this. Respect the wave. Work with your natural rhythm, not against it. Take breaks when your body asks for them. Use your focus time with intention. If you do this, your productivity, your creativity, and even your mood will grow fast. All right, my friends, thank you for joining us today. This was another episode of the 100% English Podcast, where you learn English, ideas, and motivation at the same time. Take care, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next episode. Practice your English. Take small steps. And remember, you can do it.